thoughts of you. I swear I can't imagine it with someone else me. I need you more and more. Oh my god. Thank you for the time, Zach. I turn off the mute because the pig. Oh my god. Oh. Pig shit himself. Thank you for the time, Zach. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching here. Hello, can you chime here? Wanna show her? Wanna hear some? Thank you for watching. Thank you for the time, Zach. See, William is here but won't talk because I'm here. What? Why you, why you know he's here? You're only here. Thank you for the time, Zach. Well, he left. How you know he here? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank Thank you for watching. 3 million here now. Hi, Jerry. I'm here, my love. Hi, Jerry. I can just tell there was two of us here, but I said that and he left. Um, you are a. Hi, Jerry. How are you, Jerry? So, oh my God. He is like a Jerry, a dreamer, a dreamer. What do you mean? Yeah, Dada. Then they can have you. Oh my God. I'm not. I'm not like that. I'm not a dream. I'm not a dream girl like that. No, I'm not. See, Jerry Gunn also. You can. Hi guys. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? You don't understand. Ah, I don't understand. Why should I understand? Nah. Wait. Can you understand? Can you drop it? Drop it. Drop it. Uh-huh. Somewhere in your heart, you're always there. Soon as you shove of get the black work out pants on. Why? It's not. I'm not comparable. When it's full, you should. Okay, no problem. I'm a dreamer. Dreamer. Da-dan, 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 da-dan. Ano ba yan? Oh my God. Gab! Basaksak, Gab! Nakain sa tanggal mo. Natanggal. My God. Na. Da-da-da-da-da. What are you doing, Jory? To be the pop pop. Sino ba siya sa puso mo? Huwag kayong sa tabi ko. Why do people even come on here and not? I don't know. I don't know people. I don't know who people that must not comment. I don't know people who join. I know why because I don't let them say what they want to maybe I don't know. Hello, hi Dalia, Sheryl. How are you, Dalia? It's me. Yeah, it's you. How are you, Dalia? What you doing today? Going to the church? Yeah. Okay, I will try to send Samara. Okay. Tomorrow. Come on, guys, talk. Talk, guys. Hi, Gavin. Oh my God, you're here. How are you? You, yes, yes, you. I'm good. What are you doing, Golden? Miss you. My God. Watch you. Thank you, Golden. Thank you for the thumbs up. Watch it now. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Mr. Tim, meat hurt me. Hurt you? Hurt you? Why hurt you? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching now. 3 million here now. I got it. Because of you. Because of me? Why because of me? I do nothing. Wide? WYD? Wide? Whatever you do. whatever, whatever. What you do? What you doing? What you gonna do? Mm. What you doing? It means what you doing? I'm doing live after Zumba. I just finished the Zumba.
Oo, kay nagkakadali na nga ni.
We're doing all. Oo. All. Oo. The oo here is oo means here in Tagalog or a different language here in the Philippines is yes. Oo means yes. Yes. Oo or opo. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. You just start the live. I started. I now 22 minutes now the live. So I 22 minutes ago the live now. Thank you for the 11 million here now. Thank you for. Thank you guys. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart you're always. Ayan. Antok ako. Antok. Sorry. Ay, sorry. Thank you for the thumbs up. I fell asleep. My gosh. Hi, Oppo 8. She falling asleep. Yeah, I'm falling asleep. Hi. Shut up. Shut up. You have no work today, Golden? No work today. What time did you sleep last night? I can't sleep last night because Tim and I fight each other. Yep, I can't sleep last night. Oh yeah, mad at me and I'm mad at him. Quits. We're going to eat breakfast. I already ate the bread. It's my breakfast. Well, you shouldn't be mad. Well, you shouldn't be mad. Why? Why? I shouldn't be mad. She liked to fight and cry. Nah. Nah. Charot. Shut up, Tim. Tor, the one who said we fight. You're not. You're not. You're the one who said we fight. Yeah. Oh. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the time, Zach. You're not. I'm feeling asleep. My gosh. I'm falling asleep. Bye. My God. Need to sleep. I take a nap. Love you all. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Golden. Maybe you're pregnant. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Tim, shut up. You know I can't sleep last night. Don't make me mad. Bye, I love you.